For his first interview after that meeting in Chennai, Sanjay Jagdale, former BCCI secretary, now joins me. Mr. Jagdale, good evening. What happened in the meeting?
Good evening, Anna. No, I was not part of the meeting with Arnab, to be frank. I was in my own hometown, Indore. So just joined for a few, wanted to convey my feeling that I don't want to continue as honorary secretary. Please accept my resignation. That was the purpose that I joined the meeting on video conference.
Well, the board asked you to continue. You and Mr. Shirke. The board wanted you and Mr. Shirke to continue as secretary and treasurer.
They were unanimous. Right from the president to each and every member, all the senior members, and I respect their feeling. At times I feel bad that I could not respond in a positive manner because somehow I thought that I should be out of it. That means I'm out of it.
Mr. Jagdale, would you have considered returning as BCCI secretary if Srinivasan had totally stepped down, or if he had been asked to resign, which he was not?
No, Arnab, to be very frank, my decision was not because of any particular individual or a group of individuals. Nothing to do with the groups or anything. First of all, I don't believe there are groups in the BCCI because during my existence in BCCI, I never felt like any group in BCCI because all of them cooperated with me. But it has nothing to do with anybody else's. This was my own decision because the recent happenings on the field and off the field activities were hurting me, and I was really hurt. I thought this is not cricket. This is not the way I want to watch cricket, or I want to be in cricket, or this is not the way I played cricket. So I was really hurt, as crores of cricket lovers of India are. So I thought somebody who can handle this situation in a better way, or who can clean all these rotten things which are happening.
No, but nothing has happened. Today, Mr. Srinivasan continues. He's only stepped aside. He's not stepped down.
Now that's a BCCI decision or his own decision. I don't want to comment, frankly, Arnab.
No, but the whole debate, you are not away from the public debate. Right. You took a position on it, and you know the whole debate has been on Mr. Srinivasan. And today, what Mr. Jagdale, everybody is saying is that eventually what happened? The BCCI lacked the courage to ask Mr. Srinivasan to step down. Isn't that a valid question that people will have?
Yeah, a lot of people, most of the Indians are worried about what is happening in the BCCI and on the cricketing field. They have every right, and the BCCI and all people who are involved in the game of cricket as official bearers or in any other matter, it is our prime duty to get back the confidence of this cricket lovers public of India who have backed this game like a religion.
No, but what happens to the cricket lovers of India if Srinivasan, if there's an internal inquiry, internal inquiry gives Srinivasan a clean sheet, and then Srinivasan seeks a extension in September? Then what happens to the cricket lovers of India? Do these 30 people really care about the cricket lovers of India?
You can't generalize. I disagree here, Arnab. You can't generalize everybody. There are people in the BCCI who are genuine lover of the game, who have contributed. We can't generalize. As you can't generalize the players. Some players did wrong thing. You can't blame each and every.
No, I'm not generalizing. No, Mr. Jagdale, I'm not generalizing. I'm saying that do these people not realize? Yeah. You stood down, Mr. Jagdale. You are not generalizing. Do these people? Why is there such a sense of we give a damn for public sentiment? If we feel Srinivasan goes, if it suits our politics, as long as our interest is covered, as long as our person will become president in September, everything's okay. Why is there that feeling that BCCI is not accountable to anyone? Not you feel like that. You're only being careful today. You are measuring your words
No, they
carefully,
are
Mr.
definitely
Jagdale.
accountable,
The fact
obviously.
is that you have resigned. You've resigned because you took a position. And you took a position because you know the way the people of this country feel about this entire scam.
Yeah.
And now the BCCI today is being called a self-help club.
Correct.
A self-help
absolutely
club.
right. No, what hurt me during the meeting or whatever I think this we should have discussed much more instead of individuals. We should have discussed the system also, how to cleanse the things, how to correct the problems which we saw recently, and what bad things or wrong things have entered in the game of cricket. Because this is what public want. Everything should be clean, and this is the duty of BCCI and all the state associations also, and all the cricketers.
No, but what happens, Mr.
to
Jagdale?
give the
Mr.
best of
Jagdale,
themselves
Mr.
to
Jagdale,
this
Srinivasan continues.
public
No, Srinivasan continues to represent India at the ICC. There's nothing changed about that, right? Srinivasan didn't want Shashank Manohar in. He's managed to get Shashank Manohar
I
out.
want to make a comment on any individual.
No, but I'm asking you today that Srinivasan continues to represent India at the ICC. Am I right or wrong now? Step aside does not mean he won't represent India at the ICC.
No, I don't know what was decided.
No, what is decided is day-to-day functioning will be looked at by
I
Dalmia.
was not part of the meeting for full time, so I really don't know what was decided.
So as a person who has taken such a principled
I really
position,
don't know what decision was
as a
taken in
person
this
who has
matter,
taken
really.
such a principled position, why would you not just tell us what you think about what happened in Chennai? Don't tell me, Mr. Jagdale, that you have no views. Of course you have views. You have a right to be careful about expressing your views, but you have views. Please share your views. Share your views with us today. What do you think about what happened in Chennai?
No, Arnab, I really don't know all the details because
The details are nobody asked Srinivasan to resign.
Time, not for full time.
The details are this. The details are this. Jagmohan Dalmia comes in. Not as
No,
in,
I don't.
No, Srinivasan continues as president. Nobody asked him to resign. And they're appealing to you and Mr. Shirke to come back. You are not coming back. Shirke is not coming back. That is what happened today. So it is back to square one. That's what happened today.
I think what I feel is Arnab, this should be a short time plan because BCCI will be having a AGM in September. Maybe they must have decided that let us have a 2-month or 3-month plan or 1-month plan, and then let the investigations be over, and by the time the picture will be clear, and then we can finalize everything during the AGM.
Well, I don't know,
This
Mr.
may be the thinking on this may be the thinking behind what they have come up with.
Well, I don't know, sir. I don't know. I don't know if many people are going to accept this. And I don't know whether people will not ask why nobody spoke openly.
No,
I don't think, Mr. Jagdale, even people will ask, why did all these people, powerful people, not have the courage to tell Mr. Srinivasan resign? Why did they not tell Mr. Srinivasan resign? Why did they not corner Mr. Srinivasan? Why did they not make their position clear to Mr. Srinivasan? Why did they compromise with Srinivasan? Why? That's a question. It's a valid question. What makes Srinivasan so powerful and them so weak? Mr. Jagdale. I know I'm only asking you. You're not responsible for this, but I'm sure these questions are crossing your mind.
A lot of questions, Andra. A lot of questions, but I basically enjoy watching cricket, talking cricket. I don't enjoy behind the scene what happens behind the scene.
Yeah.
Or on the boards or that I have never been part of those things.
I know.
That everybody who knows me, they know I have never been part of these things. Basically, I'm into the game.
I know. We know your integrity. We know your values, and you stood up for this. So, Mr. Jagdale, thank you for that. On behalf of all cricket lovers, for being one of the few people who has stood up. Thank you for speaking to me. And thank you.
Before you leave me, Arnab, can I just put in a word?
Yeah. So please go ahead.
Pranab, can I say something?
Yes, sir. Please do.
Hello. No, just wanted to clarify. You mentioned that my stand is connected with what two ministers from MP what stand they have taken. Let me clarify it. I have mentioned it in one of the channels that nobody influences me, nobody pressurizes me. I'm not a man who can be pressurized. And I have never met Mr. Kamal Nath. And I have never spoken to Mr. Jyotirai Scindia regarding this matter. I have very good relations with him, but I have never spoken to him in this matter. So let me clarify this one thing.
Thank you.
It was my decision.
Yeah.
What my heart said, I did. What my mind said, I did.
Well, I hope more people have your heart and mind.
Welcome. Thank you.
And thank you very much, Mr. Jagdale. Thank you.